Hey everyone, Bennett McDowell with TradersCoach.com. Today is April 16th, 2021, and I want to just share quickly a few of our day trades from today using the Applied Reality Trading Software, also known as ART, along with the OWL, PTF, and TLM indicators. We trade the futures markets, so let's take a look. Okay, so here's the general register that we use. We happen to be using NinjaTrader trading platform on this one. And as you can see, the net at the end of the day was $2,475.50, just about 5%, okay, that we made on the $50,000 account, trading account. So not too bad for one day. Here's all the trades down here that we did, the actual orders, and you can see the order tab down here. So we were in and out quite a bit on a variety of different markets. We focused on the Russell. We focused on the NASDAQ today, silver, and also the Dow 30. So let's just quickly take a look at some of the charts here associated with these trades, and I'll just walk you through. This was the NASDAQ trade we did. We're using the June 21st contract today, and we went in off this pyramid here. We calculated our trade size, got double fills at 13 and 26. We sold out when we could make a nice little quick profit after a number of price bars in a row, and then we eventually got stopped out on this pyramid here for a nice profit. So that was trade number one. And the next trade here is silver. Now silver, we took a quick loss on this. We went in and got stopped out right away. So again, you want to keep your losers small and let your winners run. So this is an example of using risk control along with calculating your trade size and getting out when you're supposed to get out. Here's one we went short on the Russell. This was a nice gain for us. And again, this was the June 21st contract, and we took a quick profit and got out on that pyramid there. And then the final trade for today is the Dow 30, the YM 0621 contract. We went long on this and eventually got out. And we were in this one for quite a while on this pyramid stop out here. This is a pyramid here. We use these for exits as well as entries. So here's when we took an entry over here on and rode it on up and trailed our stops up on these pyramids and scaled out when we thought it was a good idea to do so. All right, so those are the trades for this week. Really nice trading day, very relaxed and very calm. So if this kind of trading interests you, I'm going to put a link down below where you can learn more about our trading approach. It's a combination of the ART software, the OWL, PTF, and TLM and ERI indicators, along with our risk to reward calculator. That's really important in determining trade size, and we don't like to take a trade unless the risk to reward is 2-to-1 in our favor. Okay, well thank you for watching. I just quickly wanted to share with you how we trade the markets in a structured way using the ART software along with the OWL, PTF, and TLM, and of course strict risk control. And one final note is that you must realize that trading involves risk. There's no guarantees in the market. Everything is probabilities. So please always trade with money you can afford to risk, called risk capital. All right, we'll do another one of these soon, but thanks for tuning in, and you have a great week.
Serving traders worldwide since 1998, TradersCoach.com provides educational services for traders and investors. We've developed trading software to help traders of every level improve their skills. Our site is dedicated to providing you with all the resources, software, and educational material you need to achieve your trading goals. It's because of our years of experience, attention to detail, and exceptional customer service that we're the right choice. Call us today.